prosecutor say something?
No. Sorry, Jennifer W. Assistant Public Defender Chelsea Vergils with and on behalf of Montel Gatlin. Please state your name.
My name is Montel Gatlin.
Thank you. What are we doing?
Your Honor, we are asking to set the preliminary exam in both of these cases. We do not have discovery in one case. I informed my client of that. He does not wish to waive the 21-day timeline in these cases. He asks to set preliminary exam regardless of knowing we don't have discovery on one case.
Which, yeah.
I mean, may I speak?
If you want.
I don't want her to represent me.
Okay, so you don't get that choice necessarily, but why?
Because just conflict, like we had a back and forth back there in the back room. Like, I don't think she has my best interest.
Really?
Yes.
Why? Because she wouldn't do it you?
Huh?
Because why do you say that? Because I've never known Ms. Vergils not to have her client's best interest at heart. Ever.
By the things she said, this
a lot of things that she said you may have disagreed with, right?
Really all the things.
Okay, all she said. Sometimes that's a lawyer's job. Sometimes they have to give their client the hard facts of what's going on. And they have to do that they have to give them their legal interpretation of what's going on, which may not suit with what you want to happen in the world. But they just give you a steady dose of reality. So if you disagree with her legal analysis, then fine, but show me your law degree.
No, I'm disagreeing with her legal advice.
Okay, and you're doing that with your legal degree that you have, right?
No, she was.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
No, I don't have a legal degree, but she was trying to get me to waive things. And like I was telling her, it would kind of waive my rights to 180 days into trial, right?
She just got before me. Did you even listen to what she said? She has indicated that you don't want to waive any statutory period. So she listened to what you said. She told me that, and I was going to set these for exam.
Yeah, I don't want her on my case.
Well, she's on your case.
I would ask to also address bond if possible.
Yes, you may.
Your Honor, we're asking the court to consider lowering the bond on case 25 FB 1142. Currently, it's set at $50,000. He's asking you to lower it to the same amount as his other case, 10%. Mr. Gatlin is an Ypsilanti resident. He plans to abide by his bond conditions. At this time, he's been in custody for 11 days now, and he is being held until May 29th on a case with Judge Washington. His sentencing is May 29th on that case. So he hopes that the bond will change at that time and that he'll be able to be released. So we're asking you to lower to something he'll be able to pay.
So he's being held on a case before Judge Washington now.
Until May 29th.
What's the proceeding on May 29th? Do we know?
Sentencing.
Sentencing. What kind of case is that? Do we know?
I don't know, Your Honor.
Response from the people?
Your Honor, we've asked the bond to stay the same. We think it's appropriate. He does have multiple pending cases at the same time. The case in 1090 is a sole case. This case has concerning elements of that. He's accused of child abuse, but also fleeing police and possessing a firearm. We believe he's both a danger and a flight risk, and we think that this bond is appropriate.
All right. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to deny the request for a bond reduction in this case and leave his bond in place. If something happens on the 29th, because that'll be about 4 days before you see me. If something happens on the 29th where he's eligible for release, then you can contact my office and I'll reconsider this decision.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.